Hi, welcome to our September math journal for today. Now today we are just going to be working on page 13. The reason why we're just working on 13 is because it's a lot of writing, okay? So we're just going to do one page, page 13. So go ahead and find that page, and you're going to need a pencil. I would like for you to do this in a pencil so that you can erase if you need to as you're practicing these writing words. I'm going to use some markers so you can see really good what I'm writing. So what it says is to trace the number and to write the word. Okay, trace the number and write the word. So right here, you see all of these numbers, you're going to trace them. Okay, 1, 2, go ahead and do this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we have traced all of the numbers. Now you can follow along on this video and do it with me. You'll probably need to push pause so that you can catch up because I know how to spell. So I know how to spell all of these words. And maybe you know how to spell some, and that's great, but probably you're gonna have to copy what I'm doing. So you can either push pause in between each number, or you can not watch this video, and if you want to work on it with your mom or your dad or whoever's with you, that's just fine too, okay? So each number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, can be written like this as a number. But there's also words that match to those numbers. And you don't have to remember how to spell them all because we're gonna learn a lot of them in school, but we're just gonna practice writing, okay? So if we see this, we know this is the number 1, but if you want to spell 1 on your paper, you'll write O-N-E. So this is the number word, and this is the actual number. If you want to push pause so you can write that, go ahead. Or you can watch me and then push pause at the end and then write them all. The next one is the number 2. Here's the word. This is how you write 2. T-W-O. Next is 3. T-H-R-E-E. We haven't learned how to write all of our letters, but I bet if you try really hard, you can do your best, okay? Because I am expecting you only to do your best. Here's the letter, here's the number 4, and here's the word for. Next is the number 5. I'm not expecting you to know how to write all of these or to remember. We're just practicing, okay? The next is 6. S-I-X, 6. Here's the number word. Okay, now we're gonna get into a long one. 7. 7. Next, 8. 8 starts with an E. This is 8. This is 9. Don't stress out, okay, because I'm going a little fast. You can just push pause at the end. I'll hold it up, but you can push pause and then you can copy it. We're just working kind of on our handwriting, making sure that we're getting it in the lines, and I'm just introducing to you something new. There's the number, but also there's a word that goes with each number, okay? So this is a number 1. This says 1. This is the number 8. So what does this say? 8, written out as a word. This is the number 10, and this is the word 10. All right, if you want to push pause right now so that you can look at mine, go right ahead and do so. Or you can ask your mom or dad for some help, okay? So we're just doing page 13 for your math journals today. Just a quick thing, we usually will do either handwriting or the math journal. So if we're doing handwriting one day, we might not do the math journal, or the other way around. So just keep these books where you can get them easily so you can kind of follow along and do whichever one we're doing for the day. So we kind of change, now that we're starting to do a little bit more handwriting and worksheets and things like that, we'll kind of be, taking turns or switching these up, okay? So there we go.